Nagro-road trip kayo sa South Cebu, then bigla kayong nagutom and you're craving for affordable grilled foods and fresh seafoods? Tara, pag-usapan natin yan. Mayong adlaw, this is J. Perpetual Kid at tara! Let's explore Dalaget, Cebu. Mamit's Grill and Chill is located along the National Highway, Barangay Balud, Dalaget, Cebu. Katabi nito ang Ceres bus stop sa Dalaget. Let's begin our food trip with their best sellers. Ang freshly grilled chicken inasal with only rice for only 139 pesos. At ang baby back ribs only rice for only 169 pesos. Aside sa affordable, masarap, meaty at may only rice. By the way, may kasama na itong embaw soup with one-piece clam. But if gusto mong umorder ng embaw soup na may maraming clams, order na for 170 pesos only. Kung gusto nyo magpaluto, pumili lang kayo sa squid, shrimps, pompano fish, scallops at pork liempo. As for refreshing cold drinks, meron silang cucumber tower juice worth 99 pesos for 1.5 liters and 149 pesos for 3 liters at fresh buko juice for only 40 to 50 pesos. Aside sa masasarap at murang mga pagkain, napaka-relaxing ng lugar dahil mahangin with magnificent view of the sea. After kumain, magpahinga ka muna dito bago bumiyahe ulit. Matapos kang umakyat ng Osmeña Peak or maligo sa Ubong Spring, mag-dinner naman tayo dito pa rin sa Mamit's Grill and Chill. Scallops with mozzarella cheese for 160 pesos, bam-e for 220 pesos, chop suey also for 220 pesos, garlic shrimps also for 220 pesos. Meron naman silang grilled squid but the price depends sa laki ng pusit. Ang mga in-order natin ay more than enough para sa family or barkada. Siya nga pala, marami silang mga customers, either first-timer or mga suki, that evening. It simply proves na binabalikan yung masasarap at affordable foods nila. And lastly, for breakfast, meron silang silog meals ranging from 59 to 79 pesos. Mamit's Grill and Chill is open every day from 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. Again, this is J. Perpetual Kid and we explored a seaside restaurant serving affordable grilled foods and fresh seafoods in Dalaget, Cebu. Mamit's Grill and Chill. Hanggang sa susunod na biyahe, ayo-ayo!